September 10, 2013. It is Tuesday. Yeah! Miss Maya, in fairness, I love your hairband. Ikaw lang gumawa niyan?
Yes.
Show it. Okay. Ganda oh. Ganda ng pagkakaayos. Tsaka maganda yung meron siyang parang, meron ditong part na may color. Oh, parang nagta-transition siya.
Wow.
Oy, bongga.
Bongga.
Diyos ko. Andali. Okay. Cut ko muna. Pakita ko muna kay Miss Maya. Okay, hi guys! Okay, so again, today is September 10, 2013. It is a Tuesday. So, smart casual na naman daw kami today.
Yay!
Ayun, smart casual na naman kami today. So, I'm just wearing this black top. Ano pa ba? I have a new video up on my beauty channel. I hope you guys check it out. It is the product demo and review of the Encara BB cream. So, I'm really happy with it kasi nga, ang ganda niya sa face. I don't have it on my face right now, pero mamaya maglalagay ako. Because I'm actually testing it with another product. So, tapos ako sa Encara. So, susunod naman, iba naman. So, yeah. Oh my God. I am so tired. Kasi, I woke up really early today to go to LTFRB. If you guys don't know, may nangyari sa akin kakaiba last night. Kasi, last night, me and Arjen and Christine were on our way home. Tapos yung bus na nasakyan namin is Cascasero. So, I was really fuming kasi, di ba, if you ride a bus, and you get into an accident, unfortunately, or na-stuck yung bus, syempre, dehado ka, so you get a refund. Arjen asked for a refund. Christine didn't ask. I would ask kasi my money is budgeted. But then, nung hiningi ko na, ang sama ng tingin ng driver sa akin, parang, are you serious? Na gano'n na yung tingin. And, I really want my 10 pesos to be back. My only fare home is 10 pesos. That's my only money. So, I'm like, sige kuya, wag na. I do understand his predicament kasi nga nagka-aksidente na. But then, hindi naman namin kasalanan yung nangyari. Kasalanan ng driver. And the taxi driver, both parties have their own fault. Kaya nainis ako na parang he's taking it against me na bakit ko kukunin yung 10 pesos na binayad ko sa kanya, inakasakit pa lang. Talagang pumunta ako na LTFRB, nag-report talaga ako doon kasi nabuwisit talaga ako. And, you don't really have to say it in secret. Like, you don't have to keep it within you pag feeling mo, feeling mo pagod, parang dehado ka. You don't have to keep it on your own. That's why I reported it to the LTFRB. Kaso, feeling ko, ang tagal na naman ng process. Kaya wala mo gagawa. Ngangasip ako. At least I reported it, diba? Kasi parang unfair naman yung ginawa niya. And today, my class would start at 4 o'clock. Yun na yun. I only have like 14 classes today. So, okay, I'm gonna put on some makeup first so that makita nyo yung transition between this face to that face. So, let's go! Hi guys! Okay, so this is my makeup look for today. Let's balance it here. Okay, so my makeup look is more on like eyeshadow, eyeliner slash nag-vibrate yung phone ko. Sandali, nag-explain kasi ako dito, diba? Nainis. Okay, so my makeup look for today is actually just neutral eyes, and then with a pop of color, I put this color. I put this color, this blue one, on the lower lash line, and then eyeliner, and then the brown and the cream on the eyes. So it's kind of like K-pop-ish, and then pink blush, and then lips from Color Collection. Foundation is base makeup is Maybelline BB stick. I didn't bring my Encara BB cream, unfortunately. I didn't bring my Encara BB cream, but I have a Maybelline pore eraser and then Maybelline BB stick. Tapos yung lipstick ko is Color Collection. Sorry kung medyo maingay kasi yung mga office mates ko chumichika galore. So yeah. Nawala yung dikit. Mamaya didikit ko yan ulit. I'm gonna make dikit-dikit of our picture together. Kung jawa lang. Sarap. Ayun. So, I'm so happy. Seriously. I have to go down with LA and Noel. And I'll talk to you guys in a while. Hey guys! Okay, it's about 4:18 4:18 in the afternoon, so I don't have classes yet. I just finished my first class for today. So parang nakakawindang. So I have one class ng 1700, one class ng 1800, one class ng 1900, and then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 classes ng 2000, and then 2100 only 2, and then 2200 I have 4. So that's like 14 classes actually, kasi dalawa yung cancelled. I have 16 in total, but then 2 cancelled, and then yung iba. Ang hirap pa explain. Diba? Ako na na-explain. So yeah. Oh my god. Ano to? Ooh. Someone likes my post. Okay, I'm actually on Facebook right now. I'm using my phone to update because wala lang. I feel like I really should update my social networking sites more often, and I'm gonna do that naman eh. Kasi I'm planning on getting a Wi-Fi plan, like something that I could bring with me a lot. Para in terms of events, hindi ako maghagilap ng Wi-Fi sa mall, kind of like that. So I have my own Wi-Fi, but I'm still on the verge of thinking about it. Kasi medyo mahal kasi siya. Lalo na yung prepaid and yung postpaid plan, medyo mahal. So, thinking about it. Okay, so right now I'm just gonna fix my next class in an hour. And then I think I'm gonna eat something kasi nagugutom na ako. I did eat something at home pero noodles lang. So, kaya ng powers ko yun. So, I'm gonna eat something and then talk to you guys in a while. So, from a very sunny weather earlier, we have zero visibility outside. You know, if you can see it, you cannot see anything outside. As in, I can only see the building, but then the other buildings, I cannot see them entirely. Even the outline. This is so crazy. 1 minute, it's like super hot, super sunny. Another minute, uulan. Ano ba to? I was supposed to go down. Kasi dahil umulan, doon ako bababa. Ito na lang ako. Sitting pretty. Oh my god! May kidlat! Crap. Bad trip, no? May kidlat pa. Umuulan pa. Kidlat, kulog, ulan. Tapos ano na, sakit na naman. No, kasi pagka-rapper ko yun. Christmas rapper. Sarap. Candy rapper. Ha? Ay, diba? I don't know. Noel's saying something to me. Okay, I'll talk to you guys in a while. So, tonight's dinner is adobong, manok, and rice. So, parang feeling ko hindi ko kakayanin kainin to. I don't know. Maybe not. But yeah, this is my dinner for tonight. I'm so excited because my mom cooks the best adobong manok. I swear to you. Not because she's my mom, but because her adobo is actually really special. You know that she doesn't really like the sauce to be too much. Kaya I'm starting to learn how she cooks adobo kasi I want to learn it as well. Kasi if ever that I'm gonna go to another country, if I'm gonna migrate somewhere or work in another country, I might as well learn to cook on my own para makatipid na rin. So yeah, that's one thing I'm actually thinking about is I'm gonna migrate to another country or work in another country lang for a couple of years, and I'm gonna go back to the Philippines and establish a business or something else. So yeah, minsan kasi you have to think of your own future. So layo ng topic ka. From food to business. Woo! Okay, I'm gonna eat first and then I'll talk to you guys in a while. And mag-vlog tayo. Hi guys! So, we're on our way home. At stranded daw. Marami daw stranded. Ano masasabi mo, madam?
Stranded?
Kinarner ko siya.
Ano ang stranded?
English teacher, ha? English teacher.
Strand? Yun ba yung sa hair? Strand hair?
Sapakin ko kaya to, guys. Sabihin niya lang. Sapakin ko talaga to. Masasaktan to sa akin. Ano gusto mo? Sakit o sarap?
Sakit na may isipin.
Sorry naman, guys.
Alam mo yun?
Alam nila yun.
Massage yun, massage.
Masakit kasi pumuputok yung lamig.
Massage yun.
Tapos biglang masarap kasi na wala na yung lamig.
Green.
Magbaberde ka. Parang si
Incredible look.
Incredible look.
Incredible look.
Yan. So, there's a lot of stranded daw sa EDSA kasi baha. So, I'm gonna take a video of that. But for now, I'm gonna say goodbye. And also, Tinay.
Ciao. Ciao?
Ciao?
Korean.
Ano? Ciao? Ciao, King! Ciao, King! Ayun. So, we're gonna say goodbye now. Thank you so much for watching. Bye! Oh, bye-bye ka na.
Bye.
Kagabi si Denise nga naman si Tin. O, diba? Si Maria. Call her Maria.
Maria. It should be Maria.
Maria Cristina Falls.
No, Rose. Instead of Falls, Rose.
Oh, Maria Rose.
Maria Rose.
O, sige na. Bye-bye!